So, I just finished a Primati or Primeti, or I don't know how to say it, sandwich, capicola. Pretty good. And I've been sore all day, but I couldn't figure out why. Or maybe I was just overly excited. Turns out, it's raining. I was wondering, why is no one going outside? I'm like, here I am in the fancy section, because I paid for the fancy section. And yes, you do have to say the fancy section. But as it stands, everyone's like, oh, you're missing out by not crossing that bridge. I mean, this view of the skyline is gorgeous. Don't get me wrong. But my hotel is off over in that direction, literally across the street from the stadium. So I look like a genius because I'm in the fancy section. And it is coming down. Whoop, here we go. Woo, boy. Yes, Adric, it's raining. The game might get postponed at this point, in which case I'm going to be very sad. Oh wait, no, it's lighting up. We'll see.